Hi, I'm just Plus Prescribe and this is about the LA fire attack. This is the curse and this is a punishment for Hollywood. This is about justice of this boy, Justin Bieber, and this man, Liam Payne. And this man, alam nyo sino yun? March 21, I posted this, the Illuminati in Hollywood. The dirty secrets of Hollywood will be revealed and disgracing the culture of witchcraft of the original Illuminati will be punished. Hollywood will fall like Curse Hollywood, the home of the elders of Illuminati who did not acknowledge me. Gusto nyo makita ang subukan power ko? Sampulan ko mismo ang Hollywood. Nag-post din ako ng September 25, 2024. I said na PDD is just a beginning. The next high-profile actors who have illegal doings and directors who abuse their powers will be punished. October 17. I give you my word. Many celebrity actors and artists and songwriters will one by one be punished. Perish, will be eliminated. Why? Because these people are members of this Illuminati was been abusing their power nature. So yun. Nag-post ako ng kung ano-ano sa pages ko because I was so pissed off sa ginawa nilang pagko-cover up sa kaso ni Liam Payne at ni Justin Bieber. Those years. And ito yung parusa nila. Okay? So, yung sumpa ko last year, nangyari lahat yan. Sino ba ako? I'm just a post witchcraft. So, yun. Peace to the Poland. But, ganyan magparusa ng Panginoon. Yan ang tunay na parusa ng Panginoon. Kung nakakala nyong ang diablo ang pinakamasama sa buong mundo, sa mga tukso niya, hindi nyo pa nakikita kung paano magalit ng Diyos. So, yan yun. So, this is just Flawless Witchcraft. Rest in peace sa mga who have just met their demise, sa mga namatay. Right? Pero, Hollywood, it doesn't matter kung billion, trillion ng kung anong meron kayo, fame. You did a lot of bad things. And you've been doing those bad things for so many years now. Pero, I posted it. It's me who posted it. It's me who cursed. And just 2025, just 3 months, 2 months tops, it'll happen. Is it me? Am I to blame? Or God used me as an instrument and a tool of His punishment? So yun, thank you. Salamat sa mga nanood din sa account ko na to na delete kasi yung TikTok ko eh. So yes, sorry sa grammar, but naintindihan na yung ibig sabihin. Good night.